Ashley here from shandytochic.com. Today we're talking miter saw basics. We use this guy more than any other tool in our shops. Miter saws can be a bit intimidating, but our goal is to get you past that and get you to work. Now, these miter saws are 7 1/4 inch and 10 inch, but if your projects require bigger cuts, you really want to go with the 12-inch saw. They each have a different maximum width and depth that they can cut, and that's called the saw's cut capacity. For even more cut capacity, some miter saws have sliding heads like this one. And to be honest, this 12-inch sliding miter is my favorite. I can make cross cuts over a foot wide and also cut small pieces of trim. And it has a laser guide. It's great for so many projects. We'll show you how to use a miter saw to make cross cuts, miter cuts, and bevel cuts. Let's start with the cross cut. Place your board flat on the miter table and securely clamp the workpiece against the fence outside of the no-hand zone. You might even want to wrap a finger or two around the bottom of the table for added security. Squeeze the trigger and let the blade get up to full speed, and then slowly lower the handle. For safety reasons, be sure to let your blade stop completely before you raise the head back up. To make a sliding cut, securely clamp your workpiece and loosen the slide lock knob and pull the head towards you. Then you squeeze the trigger, fully lower the blade, and push the arm away from you to make the cut. Some miter saws have a compound feature, so you can make both miter and bevel cuts. A miter cut is an angled cut along the width of the board, and this cut is made by rotating the miter table. A good example of this is the angled cuts at each corner of a picture frame. To adjust the saw for a miter cut, unlock the miter lock handle and move the handle to select the angle you want to cut. To make our lives easier, Ryobi miter saws have made these indentions along the miter scale that stop at the most common angles. Don't forget to lock the miter. A bevel cut is made by tilting the blade. Bevel cuts are used a lot when installing trim and molding. To adjust the saw for a bevel cut, loosen the bevel lock knob and tilt the blade while using the bevel scale to get the angle you want. Lock the bevel and make your cut. That wraps up our miter saw basics. So what's your next project going to be? You can get free plans, project ideas, and check out other videos like this at Ryobi Nation. Happy building!